Tribit's latest true wireless earbuds are titled MoveBuds H1, and it has gained a massive level of attention from outdoor and work enthusiasts due to their specs and features. In our video today, we've brought in these earbuds to test for ourselves if it's as good as everyone says or not. So, without further ado, let's begin. At first glance, the simple black and gray color palette gives a strong and solid first impression. The buds feature a hook-style design that comes with fasteners to cling strongly onto your ears. The outer earpiece panels rock a turbine-esque etching for a better grip, but it's possible for you to trigger the controls accidentally when taking them off or putting them in. But once they're in, the buds are fairly easy to operate. A single tap on either bud will play or pause, double tapping will handle navigation, and triple tapping on the left earbud will summon your voice assistant. As for the massive clamshell style case, for most people, it would appear too large and bulky to fit comfortably inside your pocket. But as you can see right here, we had no problem whatsoever inserting this into our pocket as it sat there quite comfortably. We aren't complaining much about the box since the design of the earbuds requires them to have a comparatively large case, although they can be quite slippery. But with the bigger case comes a solid battery life that lasts roughly for up to 15 hours, with the case providing an additional 50 hours of charge. These aren't rookie numbers at all for true wireless earbuds and more than justify the size of the case. The only problem we faced is with the weird counterintuitive design that requires us to place the right earbud on the left side and the left one on the right side, which sounds more complicated and frustrating than it actually is. But on a good note, the water resistance being one of its top selling points, the Tribit MoveBuds H1 rocks a solid IPX8 rating, rendering these buds fully waterproof and the perfect exercising accessory. With this rating, you can easily rinse the sweat off, drench them in rain, and even submerge them underwater up to a meter for 30 minutes without worrying. The case, however, doesn't share the same specs, so we'd be careful with putting the buds back in. Tribit also came up with their own dedicated app for the MoveBuds H1, with which you can customize the sound profile by utilizing the 10-band equalizer. It also comes with constant firmware updates. The audio sounds fantastic as well, being on track with sub-bass content without being distorted. The buds also feature a pretty useful ambient mode that lets you hear and interact with your surroundings without taking the buds off, making conversations easier and intuitive. The buds are compatible with Bluetooth 5.2 and work perfectly in tandem with the AAC, aptX, and SBC Bluetooth codecs, which are almost a steal at this price range. And as for the microphone, it's clear and crisp, and we had little to no issue in terms of communication. For the price, it's truly a great buy and comes highly recommended by us. So that was all for a dedicated hands-on review for Tribit MoveBuds H1. Truly a steal for the price, the headphone is great for workout freaks and outdoor enthusiasts alike, as they'll protect the buds from accidental spills while running for a long time. How do you like these earbuds? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.